Imagine waking up and everything looks like you're peering through a foggy shower door. You blink, rub your eyes, maybe even clean your glasses, but the haze doesn't go away. You might think of B3 as an energy booster, but studies now reveal it may be a game changer for glaucoma. It's not just a myth from your grandma that carrots are good for your eyes. There's real science behind it. Why? Because your eyes are constantly exposed to sunlight, blue light from screens, and oxidative stress. Vitamin C acts like a bodyguard for your eyes, neutralizing damaging free radicals before they can hurt your lens and retina. A large study from King's College London followed twins for over a decade and found that those with high dietary vitamin C had a 33% reduced risk of developing cataracts. These aren't classic vitamins either, but their role in eye health is critical. Think of them like a team, each playing a role in protecting different parts of your eye. B3 supports your optic nerve, helps with light detection. C and E battle oxidative stress. Lutein and Zeaxanthin filter damaging light. Omega-3 South keep the retina and nerves smooth and strong. Together, they form a natural, powerful defense against vision loss, and not just for seniors. The earlier you start supporting your eyes with proper nutrition, the longer you preserve sharp, vibrant vision into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. DHA is a building block of your retina. It literally helps your eye cells communicate. Low DHA levels are linked to poor retinal function, dry eye syndrome, and increased inflammation, all of which can worsen glaucoma and age-related vision decline. Omega-3 South also help regulate intraocular pressure, the root problem in glaucoma. In one clinical trial, omega-3 supplementation led to a significant drop in eye pressure among glaucoma patients. That's huge. So where do you get DHA? Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are top sources. If you're plant-based, look for algae-derived DHA supplements. Flax seeds and chia seeds provide ALA, another omega-3, but your body has to convert it to DHA, and that process isn't very efficient. Go straight to the source for the best results. That's right, just eating more citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli made a measurable difference. Plus, vitamin C helps maintain the collagen structure of the eye and supports healthy blood vessels, reducing the risk of retinal bleeding and glaucoma-related damage. It's powerful, cheap, and easy to add to your daily routine. Just don't rely only on supplements. Whole food sources work better. Vitamin A is essential for making rhodopsin, a pigment in the retina that allows you to see in low light. Vitamin E is fat-soluble, like vitamin A, and is especially protective for the fatty parts of your eye, like the retina. These aren't technically vitamins, but carotenoids, plant pigments that concentrate in the retina, especially the macula. Think of them as natural blue light filters. They block harmful light rays and act as antioxidants inside your eye. In fact, they're so important that your body stores them right in the central part of your vision. Studies show that higher intakes of lutein and zeaxanthin are linked to lower risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. One study found that people who ate the most spinach and loaded with lutein had up to 40% lower cataract risk. Here's a pro tip. Cook your greens lightly to make these nutrients more absorbable. Kale or spinach with garlic and olive oil. That's not just delicious, that's vision insurance on a plate. It's a strong antioxidant, guarding your eye tissue against the oxidative stress that causes cataracts and macular degeneration. In the famous age-related eye disease study, a mix of vitamin E, C, beta-carotene, zinc, and copper reduced the risk of advanced macular degeneration by 25%. That's major. But vitamin E also seems to help slow the progression of cataracts, especially when combined with other nutrients. You'll find vitamin E in almonds, sunflower seeds, avocados, and hazelnuts. And as with all fat-soluble vitamins, combined with a little healthy fat to maximize absorption. A spoonful of almond butter might just be the tastiest eye support you'll ever try. Without enough of it, your vision suffers, especially at night. But it does more. It also keeps your cornea clear and moist, protecting against dry eye and infections. More importantly, people with low vitamin A are significantly more likely to develop cataracts. In one study, individuals with higher beta-carotene intake, your body converts this into vitamin I had a 40% lower risk of cataracts. Foods rich in vitamin A include sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, kale, and liver. But here's a key tip. Vitamin A is fat-soluble. That means your body needs fat to absorb it, so always pair it with healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, or nuts to get the full benefit. A spinach salad with walnuts and olive oil. That's not just lunch, it's sight protection. Glaucoma occurs when fluid pressure builds in the eye, damaging the optic nerve and causing permanent vision loss. But here's what's groundbreaking. In a 2020 study by the University of Melbourne, high-dose vitamin B3 improved mitochondrial function in eye cells. Mitochondria are like tiny power plants inside your cells, and when they start failing, so does your vision. Vitamin B3 helped aging eye cells bounce back, making them more resilient to pressure damage. Early trials in humans are also promising. Patients taking niacinamide showed improved optic nerve function and better visual outcomes. Imagine that, helping your eye cells act younger, just with a daily vitamin. That's the creeping reality of cataracts and glaucoma, two of the biggest vision thieves for seniors today. One clouds your lens until colors fade and vision blurs. The other silently raises pressure in your eyes, damaging the optic nerve like a slow leak in a tire. And here's the scary part. Millions don't even know it's happening until it's too late. But here's the good news. What if the key to stopping, slowing, or even reversing this silent sight loss wasn't some miracle surgery, but nutrients? That's right. Science is now showing us that 6 specific vitamins have remarkable potential to restore and protect your vision naturally. And today, we're diving deep into them all. So before your screen fades to black, hit that subscribe button and stay with us until the end, because these tips might just save your eyesight to someone you love. Let's start with a vitamin that's shocking eye doctors around the world, vitamin B3, also known as niacin. Next up, a classic hero of eye health, vitamin A. Now onto the antioxidant powerhouse, vitamin C. Most people think of vitamin C for immune health, but your eyes actually store some of the highest levels of vitamin C in the body. Let's not forget vitamin E, the silent shield of your eyes. Now, let's talk about 2 rising stars of eye nutrition, Lutein and Zeaxanthin. Finally, we can't ignore omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA. Now, before you rush out and buy 6 different bottles, remember, these vitamins and nutrients work best together.